Alright, so I ordered this package. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Um, I literally just got it, just picked it up, so I'm whispering because everybody else in the house is asleep. And I really don't want to wake nobody up, even though I have something playing in the background. Um, so let's see. Oops. If it doesn't fit, I have to take it back today. Today. Um, and I believe this is a product that was recommended from 60 plus and Sophie. So I was like, ooh, what do you use? What do you use? And this is what I got. Because I have this a regular handheld, no, this is a floor. What I'm using currently is a regular tripod. But then I've been wanting to do more walking and like active videos. And I was like, I tried it, trust me, and it was shaking and gyrating. And one live that I went, everybody was like, oh my gosh, it's shaking and shaking and shaking. So I was like, okay, let me try this. And about some of my family gave me some money. So I was like, let me buy this. Uh, I have an Android, so it says you can work for Android and all this stuff. But I really want to see if it's gonna fit my phone. My phone is huge, and I don't want to take the case off, so I hope it can fit. Let's see how I'm gonna open this. It's the question. Let me get a scissors. Making noise in the kitchen. Yep. Oh Jesus, help me to the right. Cause you never know the time or the hour. Oh, but hold on, how I'm gonna test it if oh, okay, sorry. So here we go. Master leaps always leads. I wanted the one with the camera, but that was like extra $10. So I don't know. Okay, open. And oh, this is it. I hope y'all can see it. I'm so sorry. Oh, it feels nice and sturdy. Okay. So I'm thinking I can screw this on onto my regular tripod. Because I wanted the one that extends, but that was like 100. So you still gotta screw this on. So hopefully it fits onto the one. Ooh, this is interesting. To the one I have. Because this is just like for the table. Or a mini tripod, I guess they call it. So, boom. Put that right there on the floor. And, oh, I like the swivel. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Down, up. It has a zoom. Down, alright. It has like a little stick. Ooh, I'm so sorry, y'all. I need to do this. Oh, right, but I won't be doing this. Okay, what is this for? It comes with a charger, right? Yes. So it's the charger, and I believe. Okay, yeah, it's charged right there. Okay, and that's my unboxing. Oh, it's a little. It got a little pre-charge on there. Okay. Okay. Okay, I need to sound for a second. Let me show y'all. Oh. Ooh. What are you talking about? Oh, this is a really cute. Okay, I have another phone that I am using at this moment. I was going to say, how do you? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm thinking about this knucklehead from Queens, New York. It's gonna be in glory with the one who saved me. Oh no, that is not gonna work. Okay, because it's not holding it. No, and my daily phone is way bigger, way bigger. Okay, so this is just like an old phone that I only can use connected to internet. Yeah. Oh, oh my gosh, it did work. It worked. It worked. Okay, let me. That's if you're holding it. So I'll put it down. So you gotta click it twice. The red button. Okay. And you're doing your thing. How do you get it to tilt up? Okay, that's down. Up. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm sorry, this is new to me. I've been having the handheld one. Uh-oh. Let me see how you go down. Come on now. Maybe it needs to charge. I don't know. What happened? What happened? Phone fits. I just realized it's upside down. Or maybe that's not how it goes. I don't know. But I think this is so cool. Like, I was sitting here and spin this all day. Okay, I think I might keep it because my phone is on there. It hasn't fell off. Maybe I should just keep this for like